Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pattern rolling pins is probably one of the most exciting tools for bakers who want to elevate their baking game and add unique, beautiful patterns to their creations. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate home baker, this video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect patterned rolling pin to match your baking style and preferences, ensuring that your baked goods not only taste delicious but also look stunning. Number 5. Ultra Cuisine French Rolling Pin. It's the perfect tool for all your baking needs, from pizza dough to delicate pastries. Its elegant design and superior craftsmanship will make baking a joy. Its 15.75-inch length and tapered design give you exceptional control over dough thickness, ensuring even rolling every time. Cleaning up is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleaning, or simply wipe it down. For recipes that require cool dough, simply freeze it beforehand to prevent it from warming up too quickly. Made from durable stainless steel, it's designed for long-lasting use. The non-stick surface makes rolling even easier. With its sleek, handle-free French design, it's as beautiful as it is functional. It'll look great in any kitchen. What we like? It's made of stainless steel, so it's very durable and will last for years. Plus, you can freeze it to keep your dough cool while you work. If you need a reliable, easy-to-clean rolling pin that can handle any baking project, this is the one for you. What people say. The measurement feature makes it so easy to know my pie crust, pizza, dough ring, etc. is just the right size for the pan. No more guessing. It gets cold quickly while still being easy to handle, so my laminated or buttery dough stays cold, so I always get flaky and tender pies and rolls. It's easy to clean and lightweight. Pizza dough didn't stick at all. I love the measurement markings along the rolling pin, haven't needed to use them yet, but I like that extra touch. Number 4. Ultra Cuisine French Rolling Pin. It's the perfect tool for all your baking needs, from pizza dough to delicate pastries. Its elegant design and superior craftsmanship will make baking a joy. With its 15.75-inch length and tapered design, it provides even pressure and control for perfectly rolled dough every time. Say goodbye to uneven thickness. It's dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup, or you can simply wipe it down. Cleaning up after baking has never been simpler. This rolling pin can be frozen to keep your dough at the perfect temperature, preventing it from warming up too quickly during preparation. This is ideal for recipes that require cool dough. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last. Its sleek, handle-free design will look great in any kitchen. Use it for pizza, cookies, pastries, fondant, pie crusts. The possibilities are endless. This versatile tool is a must-have for any baker. What we like? It's made of stainless steel, so it's very durable and will last for years. Plus, you can freeze it to keep your dough cool while you work. If you need a reliable, easy-to-clean rolling pin that can handle any baking project, this is the one for you. What people say. The measurement feature makes it so easy to know my pie crust, pizza, dough ring, etc. is just the right size for the pan. No more guessing. It gets cold quickly while still being easy to handle, so my laminated or buttery dough stays cold, so I always get flaky and tender pies and rolls. It's easy to clean and lightweight. Pizza dough didn't stick at all. I love the measurement markings along the rolling pin, haven't needed to use them yet, but I like that extra touch. Number 3. Algis Hawaii Rolling Pin. Bring your baking to life with this beautifully crafted rolling pin. Its stunning design will add a touch of paradise to all your creations. Made from durable beech wood, it's perfect for rolling out dough. The deep, laser-etched pattern ensures crisp, clear imprints on your baked goods. With a large embossing surface, it's ideal for all your baking needs. The beautiful Hawaiian design adds a unique touch to every item. It's perfect for family baking days and craft projects. Create lasting memories while enjoying delicious treats together. This rolling pin makes a unique and thoughtful gift for any occasion. It's beautifully packaged and ready for gifting. At Algis Crafts, we're passionate about creating high-quality, handcrafted bakeware. We hope it brings joy to your kitchen. What we like? This rolling pin is made from beautiful beech wood and features a fun, eye-catching pattern. It's perfect for making cookies and other baked goods that look as good as they taste. If you are looking for a way to add some extra fun and creativity to your baking, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It works great. Just dust your cookie dough liberally with flour or powdered sugar. It also helps if you chill the dough beforehand. To maintain the pattern, pop your cookies into the freezer for 10 minutes before baking. Cleans easily, use a dish brush and go over it gently. The pattern transfers nicely on my clay. Made several salt dough cookie cutter ornaments over December using this as a background pattern. Bought 4 different rollers and this was the favorite. Adults and kids loved it and found it easy to use. Clean, clear pattern every time. Number 2. Algis Crafts Kashmir Rolling Pin. This beautifully crafted rolling pin will transform your baking. Its deep, embossed pattern creates stunning designs on cookies and more. It's made from high-quality beech wood, ensuring durability and a smooth rolling experience. The large embossing surface makes it perfect for all your baking needs. With a 7.9-inch embossing surface, 2.4-inch diameter, and 15.8-inch length, it's perfectly sized for easy handling and consistent results. The rotatable handles provide pinpoint accuracy. 3 delicious recipes are included to help you get started right away. Create beautiful, patterned treats for your loved ones. It makes an excellent gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It arrives beautifully wrapped and ready to give. Bring warmth and joy to your family with stunning bakes and crafts. We aim to create more opportunities for you to smile. What we like. It's made of durable beech wood and has an elegant paisley pattern. This makes it a beautiful addition to any kitchen and a thoughtful gift for bakers. If you're searching for a unique and stylish rolling pin, this is the one. What people say. Intricately engraved roller with nice designs. Works well to impress dough. Deep engraving that works great. I love how easy to use it was and the detail comes out so clear. Makes my baking look very fancy without much extra effort. Number 1. Algis Crafts Spring Flowers Rolling Pin. Bring your baking to life with this beautifully crafted rolling pin. Its deep, embossed pattern creates stunning designs on cookies, pastries, and even pottery. This rolling pin is made from high-quality beech wood, ensuring durability and longevity. The 7.9-inch embossing surface is perfectly sized for easy rolling. It features 16 different flower designs, adding a touch of elegance to your creations. Each pattern is clearly defined for beautiful results. It's perfect for family baking days and arts and crafts projects. Create beautiful memories while enjoying the creative process together. This rolling pin makes a unique and memorable gift for any occasion. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. Each rolling pin arrives beautifully wrapped and ready for gifting, saving you time and effort. It's a present that's sure to be cherished. At Algis Crafts, we're a small family business passionate about creating high-quality, handcrafted bakeware. We hope you enjoy this special piece. What we like. This rolling pin is made of durable beech wood and features a lovely floral pattern. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your baking projects. If you love baking and want to make beautiful, patterned cookies, this rolling pin is perfect for you. What people say. The rolling pin itself is beautiful and made good impressions on these particular cookies. This pin is carved deep enough to make a beautiful imprint. This rolling pin is beautifully crafted and makes the most amazing cookies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.